Hello everybody and welcome to another edit. This time I will show one of the ways to edit a top to match the skirt. This way of editing is suitable for smaller changes and may not work on bigger selections. I start with selecting the cloning tool and just paint over all of the area where I want the changes to be. Remember to paint light where the highlights are and select darker part of the skirt where there is shadows. I want a puff sleeve, so I will paint over the shoulder too. Select around the sleeve and use the generating fill to find a suitable option. If you select the whole sleeve, the AI tool will just remove it completely. That's why I select around it. Continue until you're happy with the result. I will now select a bigger portion and see what the AI will give me. So this is the final result and I'm pretty happy with it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.